We started out 7 years ago in Bacolod, and he has downlines that are medical practitioners and also people from New Zealand. And he's also made a couple of sales by himself. However, he decided to go overseas to Dubai. But I'm happy that he decided to come back to the Philippines because the market is still here. Like what Eric always say, if you recognize the opportunity, then grab it. Because the money is not out there. The money is in your country. So he will be discussing 7 very, very important things in Reway. I hope you listen to it because it's so important. It will determine whether you have a chance at becoming Team Elite or not. Without further ado, let me welcome Jonas Tomaroy, Diamond 2 Star.
Good afternoon, everyone. Medyo ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag sa stage. Though I already have some testimonials with some events in Ringway Company. So yun. First, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our VPs, si Sir Eric Chop, and then our couple with Dr. Ancina. And then sa mga gusto, I would like to acknowledge the presence din mga kakilala ko, si Mama Aubrey, si Sir, si Ma'am Daisy, tsaka yung aking si Sir Vina. Yun. Good afternoon. Ang aking pong i-present for now is the 7 things na kailangan natin with the presentation or with the company na gawin natin. So I will just start with the quote of let's go back to basic. So ABC. Always be closing and basic. Kasi aking pong first is listen to training, motivation, CDs, and yung mga materials na meron po tayo. We have materials which is, like Boss Eric said kanina, is that everything is available at our hand in the office or kung saan man. Even colleagues can give you some important details or some materials na pwede mo magamit which corresponds to what type of client do you have. Or what type of, let's say, what type of prospect, gaya na sinabi ni Ma'am kanina, di ba? Listing of prospect, di ba? I need just to mention. And I quote, sabi na, so after listing, then you do the listing, and then after that, gawin mo yung prospect invitation, and then yung OBP, and then the end product will be the follow. So yun, binagyan ko lang. So ang sabi dito, i-expound daw natin. Well, I just share you my sales knowledge for 20 years. Na hindi pa rin ako yumaman. Anyway, nandun na tayo. Punta na tayo doon. Okay. So, ang ano natin is that, saan na ba yung lista? Nawala. So, I'm not really prepared because of napaka-ano natin, preparation. But however, I have, nakapag-ready ako ng iba. So, ang sa akin lang, before I proceed sa number 1, sabi nga ng materials, I will quote lang yung sinabi ni Boss Eric kanina. Sabi niya kasi kanina, if you build a house, you need the proper tool. Yun yung sabi ni Boss Eric kanina nung nagsasalita siya dito sa una. So, it catches my attention kasi sa dami kong alam, I'm a jack of all trades when it comes to sales. So, admittedly, nandun ako sa category nung nag-explain na isa, long-term and short-term. However, because of that, so kailangan ko mag-long-term goal ulit. Even though, an RH, medyo meron na. Pero never too late. So, kailangan ko ulit bumalik ng long term kasi nag-short term ako. I really badly needed money. Real talk.
Yes.
Kasi, di ba, pandemic comes. Di ba? If I don't have stocks, paano ako magkakaroon? Kasi I don't really have funds. Di ba? I only rely on clients. However, platform, ganun na platform. I attended, di ako na-attend pa rin ako. No? Binabrush up ko rin sa isip ko na it's hard. Well, you have to brush it up with your mind that it is really hard to sell. Diba? Bakit? It's only a matter of mindset. Kung sinabi ko kanina kung may nagsasalita. So yun, ang ano nga yan is that we have to go back to basic. Why? Kasi we all started there dreaming to become a millionaire. Right? Sabi ni, kanina, diba? You have to have a goal. So we have to come back to the first time goal na inisip mo for you to become what? To feel excited again. Kasi yun yung problema ko eh. Di ba? Because of a long term of sales. Di ba? Kahit anong ibenta ko, pwede. You know what I mean? Ibenta ko kahit ano, wala akong pakialam. I didn't mind kung hindi ako nakasuot. Basta when it comes to sale, di ba? Just shout my name. Bebentahan natin yan. Why? Money. So it falls under the category of a short-term goal. Sabi ni Doan, I go. Diba? So I have to go back again to have a mindset of having a long-term goal, which is to dream big. Sabi ni Ma'am, bigbigan ko lang ng konti, but keep it simple. Right? Sometimes, diba, nakakaano mag-dream big. Akala natin tempting kasi libre. However, you have to keep it simple. Right? Simple is always achievable. Diba? You cannot dream big, impossible dream. Diba? Diba? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So meaning, dagto na lang natin, keep it simple. That's one of the 7 most important secrets sa sales net. Pero hindi ko mention kung ano kasi big 7 pa ako dito. Baka maging 14. Anyway, just to proceed, so, balik na tayo, yung recap na kagad natin para madali. So, paano mo magagawa yun? Halimbawa ako, gusto ko rin mag-motivate ngayon. Diba? I'm becoming negative, so I have to push to become, from negative, I have to push myself to become positive again, feel excited, with leeway. Why? Good company. Diba? Why I'm still here? Diba? Ako daw, veteran, pero minsan wala, minsan nandiyan. But I'm always taking a point that I would give my participation as part of the team. Diba? I talk, even though we don't pay. But totoo na, hindi naman ako pinapabayaan na, ibibigas, everything. You know what I mean? Because I love the company. But the problem is me. Diba? I have to go back again to to the long-term goal that feeling excited ng first ko. So I have to watch again the video of Doan. Diba? I have to reminisce again the first time I meet our boss. Diba? And sa mga nakakita, nagkakapi kayo ng boss mo sa Resorts World. Diba? Where can you find a company like that? Diba? Pag-uwi nila, boss, ay nga pala po sa coffee. You know, I feel, parang na-feel ko ulit, oh wow, kailangan ko na yata mag-start ulit. Diba? So, number 2, ma'am. So yun, rebooks. So yun yung part again of, para makabalik ka, of feeling excited again. Kasi some of us don't really read books anymore right now. Diba? Because we're all the electronics. Kasi, ang nangyari ko, nanonood ka lang ng YouTube. Type mo lang yung kailangan mo. Diba? Everything is there. Everything is available in the Google Internet. So kaya ngayon, walang taong matalino. Walang taong walang matalino. You know? Pero the world doesn't work that way. Why? Kailangan, may isang mag-educate. Diba? At may isang mag-listen. So I read ko, kasi sabi ni mo, because ganun ako ng books. I read some of these books, natapos ko na rin. But I want to share a new one. Hindi ko na ito i-share kasi I know some of you already read some of these books na nakikita nyo. So, may ko lang ganito. Simple lang. It's just the, sorry Hindi pwede.
Okay. It's not perfect.
Yo, okay, so let's ito yung yung i-share ko lang is, it is impossible for a man to learn things he already knows. Some of us, nasa atin yun eh. By the way, that's a Stoic principle by Marcus Aurelius. So, yun yung problema ko. At maaaring maging problema nila. I'm just being honest with myself. Diba? And, sabi na, ganun din tayo sa mga sarili natin. Just to feel excited again. Right? So, yun, ang tinawag ko is that, ang nangyari yan, kung lahat ng talino, you're not going back to basic. Anong natin, diba? It's, learning is a continuous process, right? It's never ending, diba? So, kailangan ganun po yung mentality ko. Hindi ko na hinahanap po for you guys. Ang pinagsasabihan ko ngayon in this stage is me. You know? So, I guarantee na dahil sinabi ko to, I'm feeling excited again with the company. Kasi hindi ko sa company is good. Hindi ka naman nakareset ang mukha niya kung hindi ka trained well, eh, di ba? Yung ano lang naman yun, it's basic, generic lang po. So, yun po, ang ating po niyan is that, ma'am, next slide. So, yun lang po, just to add on, by Marcus Aurelius again, if you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Why? Kasi nakilala ko naman silang dalawa. Malay ko ba dyan sa stem cell na yan? Ang produkto kay education. Ang produkto kay magpasarap. However, hindi ka makapagpasarap kung mayaman ka na ka, tapos ang dami mo naman sakit. Diba? Punta ka ba kayo, ang i-share ka, kung buwan sa'yo, 4. Di 400 na kagad yung babayaran mo doon. Kasi babayaran mo yung mga buwan sa'yo, tig-100 isa. Kasi baka huwag ka lang malaglag. Kasi gusto mo pa mabuhay, pag nalaglag ka, hindi ka makakalamoy kasi ano ka eh. Yung medyo, stroke ka, whatever, di ba? So that's reality. So ang hinaano ko lang is that, yun nga, i-coach ko is participate in meetings for you to be updated. Like online, mga iba pa, di ba? Marami naman punta. Actually, marami nga eh. Minsan, hindi mo na nga mapuntahan lahat because of maybe malayo din or depending ano. So, yun lang po. Siguro, going back to basic is something good. Di ba? Something good just to, parang gusto mo ulit maging sanggol.
Yes.
You know? Gusto mo ulit maging bata na matuto maglakad, di ba? But you already know it, right? Kaya syempre, you have to go back where you came from or where you started just to become, ano po yung aking pinupunto? Excited. Kasi excitement po minsan nawawala eh, di ba? Lalo na pag may mga nakaharap tayong problema, di ba? Yung mga ibang ano natin. And then after that, yung participate in meetings, yung contact your uplines. Ako, I never miss, hindi ako nag-miss na mag-contact sa mga upline ko. Minsan, pati mga downline, nakakausap. Pero pag negative yung downline ko, binibitawan ko na rin ang usap. Ayoko mahawa. Di ba kasi pag kinakausap ko siya, nagtatanong ka ng positive, ang sinasagot niya, negative. Ano, kamusta na yung rewind natin? Kamusta yung pag-inom mo naman? Okay naman. Ininom ako na GL. Nakausap ko yun sa Bacolod. Kaya buwan from casino. So sa casino, alam niyo naman, diba, napaka-fast-pacing ng buhay dyan, diba? Kung may pera ka, upo ka, sigarilyo ka. So mabenta kami kasi nga, ang bottom line is that hindi naman sila para gumaling. Baka mas lalo sila lumakas magsugal. Joke lang. Hindi, I mean, not for them, my job is not for them to be healed or cured, but you know, just for them to withstand the gambling. That's the joke. However, on the other hand, nakatulong yun with their health. Why? Nagpupuyat sila eh. They never sleep. Diba? Gamblers never sleep. So long as they have money. Pag wala ng pera, that's the time they think of drinking water. Doon na sila makakaisip na minom ng tubig, or kumain, or, to take a sleep. So, something like that. So, yun, participating meeting, sabi ko nga, pagka yung negative, yung aking downline yung negative, binibitawan ko na muna siya ng usap. Kasi ayaw ko maawa. Di ba? Kaya nga ako nangangamusta. Kasi nga, medyo negative din ako. Baka nga ako pag nakausap ko siya, meron siyang mabuting balita na ibibigay sa akin. Kasi nga yun eh. Wala. Di ba? So, para kasi ganito eh. Diba? Ano ba yung usual thing na niya? Actually, pag nagkakasin ng pera, di ba? Yung monetary dispute. Hindi naman siya nag-dispute. However, you wanted to talk about money. Di ba? What I'm asking is help. Di ba? He's giving me money matters, which is, di ba, parang hindi pa okay, wala pa ng mga. However, to cut it short, yun na po yung nangyari. So, contact your outlines, meaning pag negative na ako, i-task natin, contact yung outline mo, negative ko eh. Boss, ano bang gagawin ko? Boss, medyo matamlay yung sales, matamlay yung emotion ko magbenta. Ano bang kailangan ko? May mali ba sa akin? Di ba? So, I contact outlines, may pag-usap. So, yun po yung ginagawa ko. Medyo simple lang naman talaga ito. Medyo inilaborate ko lang. Kumbaga, sa akin naman is yung sarili ko ang aking ini-explain. Diba? Just to be positive. Hindi na ako mag-mention with other people. Kumbaga, yun yung principle ko ngayon. I don't make example of other people anymore as much as possible. Kasi sometimes you have to, make example like testimonial, diba, good things, diba? However, for me now, my principle is that I will make myself an example because I have been through. Marami naman tayo pinag-aaral. Okay, yung ano natin is consume the product. So ito, medyo bigote ako. So, dahil on and off ako, muna malakas ako uminom ng pure beer. Kasi bakit? Nakakabenta ako eh. So every time you make a sale, you have money or you have some bonus bottle or something like that, di ba? So, I drink, maganda yung inom ko. By that time, kasi ako ang nangyari sa akin with my injury. Injury ko kasi is napupulong pa ako. Literally, nag-iwan yung laman dito. So, pupulong siya paganda. So, ang nangyari, gumaling naman ako on the process kasi marami akong operasyon. So, hindi ako nagtitake. I'm not taking the pure tear while I'm on the process of healing. I take pure tear after. Ibig sabihin, gumaling ako, but not that really ready for the world. You know what I mean? Takot ka because your x-ray is not really that good. Diba? Kasi medyo cloudy. Hindi pa cloudy yung parang walang breather pa siya. Yung mga gano'n, huwag ka munang sasakit. Ang daming risk factor na pwede kong makasalubong with my injury. Yung masangilan daw ako, baka mataon ako. Hindi nakakatakot eh, diba? So yun nga, nakilala ko sila Doc Anne at si Boss Eric. Blessing in disguise. Nakilala ko yung stem cell, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Wala naman siguro nga yan. Akala ko dyan, pinanghihilamos eh. Diba? Pampapogi. Diba? So yun, sabi nila, stem cell, ganito daw. They are my clients. Ang naalala ko pa nga sabi sa akin ni Boss Eric with the accent. You know what? Kasi palabas na siya eh. Boss Eric already, throw it away. No, I don't like it. Diba? Hindi naman ako mausap. I was at the door. Boss Eric was about to leave. Then I just asked him a simple question. What didn't you like about the product? So maybe something is not clear. So wala akong basic ulit. Kasi pagka ikaw masyadong advanced, tatanungin mo yung mga basic eh. Diba? Punta ka na kagad sa mga important points for you to know na baka makuha mo na kagad. Diba? Ganun na naging problema. Actually, problema ko rin yun in the years past. So yun nga, balik tayo doon. So tinanong ko lang, ano problema? Bumalik siya. Ako naman yung kinausap niya, nabigay ko yung tamang problema, yun. Ang sabi niya pa sa akin, tatandaan ko, in Leeway Company, if you join us, you scratch my back, I will scratch your back. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung quote na yun. So yun yung naging ko, sabi ko, live, buhay ko nasa loob, ba't mabubuhay yan? Hindi ka, napaka kasi tao. Tangible lang ako. Once you see what you get, buhay, because of yun. Pakinig ako. Buhay pala, ito, and everything. So yun nga. Consume the product, binumit po ako ng produkto, and I have May X-ray, pwede mo makita X-ray na lang, hindi na yung sirang paa. Yung pinaka-latest. Yung picture mo, wala okay. Ano ko yung picture? Wala yung picture, pero wala yung napakailan. So, yung mukha ko is diretso naman na siya, buo na siya. Cloudy na yung loob. However, it is already been damaged. Diba? Then, ano na ulit, nabalik lang. Wala akong bakal to, Dikit lang talaga at my age. No? So, I'm very lucky for that. And then, yung sa purity pa, kasi nakakagalaw na ako ng maganda. Akyat, bahay, motor, basketball, diba? So, nagagawa ko pa rin yung normal with the extra effort yata. So, with that, tapos na, I'll just leave you one again quote na siguro para lang din sa atin lahat. Para mas maganda rin naman. So, ang ating ano kasi yan is, yung dagdag ko lang, yung sa Valdez, pag na-reject tayo, diba, sakit. Ngayon, ang sakit, diba, pero parang feeling, kasi, tinabaho mo naman yung gusto mong gawin, diba, yung tama mong nagawa, pero rejection will always be there. Diba? Kasi it is part, diba, it's not always a perfect world. So, ang nangyayari yan, kailangan po, ang gawin natin is amor fati. Alam niyo yung amor fati? Yung amor fati kasi, ang sabi niya sa amor fati is sa Latin word. Sorry, gusto ko lang talagang mabasa ko yun. At least, much here to say. Yun nga, amor fati, ilan ko na lang yung mantra is embracing the bad. So, diba? Hindi naman sinabing gustuin mo. Kailangan mo lang i-embrace yung bad. Sabi ni Marcus Aurelius. So, rejection, andyan yung mga pain ng pag-aaral, lahat. Kasi disappointment. Kailangan yung amor fati na yun. Kailangan yun, laging nasa iyo. Na kahit ano pa man, na bad na dumating sa buhay ko, everything that lies upon me. Yan sabi ni Marcus Aurelius, good or bad, I will embrace it. Di ba? Hindi mo siya pero anuin mo, yayakapin mo. Why? Kasi we have to be resilient. The ability of you to bounce back from setbacks. Diba? Setbacks yun eh. So, sabi nga nila, amor fati yun. Sabi ni Marcus Aurelius, pag iniiwasan mo yan, lalong dadating yan. Kasi dumadami eh. Hindi mo tinatanggap eh. Kasi it's part of your life. Diba? The good and the bad. Imagine, plants needs both sun and moon to survive. Right? Kailangan nila ng araw, kailangan mo rin ng buwan. Kabay kaya ng kamatis. Pag puro araw yun, patay ka agad yan. Kasi ang gusto niyan, we shade. Di ba? So yun po. I'll leave you with that. Thank you very much. Ako po si Nash.
Thank you so much, Nash. That was a very, very ecstatic sharing. I've learned a lot. I learned a lot of new phrases. He is a very well-read person, so that's a good thing. That's something that we should follow as well. So, the next topic is how to become a Pegasus. So, for the sake of our international